How to enable Data Saver in Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In here, click on Wi-Fi and Network. After you've clicked on Wi-Fi and Network, in here, you'll find all these options. Click on Data Uses. After you've clicked on Data Uses, click on Cellular Data Uses. Then you'll find all the apps that is using your data. If you find any app you don't use, click on it. After you've clicked on it, click on Disable Data Uses, which is the last option, and turn it on. After you've turned it on, that app won't work on data, which will save your data as well. Another thing what you can do is simply go back and do same with other apps as well. And this is how to enable Data Saver in Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.